In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Tradingview account permanently. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is a permanent action. It removes your profile and may erase saved charts, watch lists, and settings associated with your account. If you are sure you want to proceed, follow along carefully on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Start by signing in to your Tradingview account using a desktop browser. The desktop site gives you full access to the account options you'll need. And it's generally more reliable for this process than the mobile app or a mobile browser. Once you are logged in, make sure you are on the correct account you intend to delete. Next, open your profile menu. You'll find it by clicking your profile picture or your username, depending on your layout. This may appear in the top left or the top right corner of the page. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Billing. This is where Tradingview keeps the account. Level Controls. On the Settings and Billing page, look for Account Settings and click it. That will take you to the section where you can manage core details of your account. On the Account Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom. The option to remove your account is typically placed there. Out of the way to prevent accidental clicks, look for the Delete Account link. It might be styled subtly, so take your time and scroll until you see it. Click Delete Account, you'll be guided through a short confirmation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion. You may be asked to acknowledge that this action is permanent, and you might need to confirm your identity. For example, by re-entering your password or completing a security check. Carefully read each prompt and confirm when you are ready. After you confirm, Tradingview will process the deletion. You may be signed out immediately, and you might receive a confirmation message on screen or by email indicating that your account is scheduled for deletion or has been deleted. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give it a moment and check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder. That's it. Thanks for watching.